Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable sound in Google Meet screen share. First of all, open the Google Meet app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to this type of page. In order to start a new meeting, you just need to click on the new floating button at bottom right hand corner and a new window will appear. Here, tap on Create a New Meeting embed at the top and you will be prompted to either join the meeting or just share it. I will simply join it by tapping on the Join button at the bottom. Once the meeting has started, you will see this type of interface. Now tap on the three dots menu at bottom right corner and then select the screen sharing feature. After that, you will be asked to either enable sound or not. You just need to check this box and then tap on Continue. Now your screen sharing will have your device's sound. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.